Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to erase the background of a picture using Photoshop CC 2023, but also we can use Photoshop 2021 or 2022, doesn't matter. So let's begin. Okay, so the first step will be to unlock our layer. In this case it's the background, and as you can see we have this icon. We can press here and the layer is unlocked. So we will need the properties tab. In this case we can press window and we can find on the P the properties. We can click here and as you can see it disappears, but if you don't have it you can press here and you will have it. We can scroll down and we will see two different options. We will see remove background and select subject. So remove background is a bit imprecise. It sometimes has issues and we might need to use the select subject in order to change some details, but we can try remove background and see how it goes. So we can click here and as you can see it has erased the background, but in the hand we have an issue. We still have some part of the background, so that's why we need the select subject. We can go back with Control C and as you can see we will have the background again, but we can select the subject and it will create a mask around the subject, in this case the woman with the bike. And we will need this tool called quick selection tool. Sometimes it looks like this, so you can right click here and you will see the other options. We will select the quick selection tool and we have three different options on the top and the brush size. In our case we will need a minus because we need to remove mask from the inside, but we have the plus in case we need to add more mask around here, for example, where we have this issue with the whole hand and the ring. But we can use the -1 to erase this side, and if we reduce the brush size we can have a more precise detail here, for example. And as you can see it's looking pretty good. We can, I don't know, fix this, fix that, and I don't know, we can have a better result in general. And yeah, just for example, let's just click here and add like a bit more so it doesn't look that bad. And after that we can go to the selection or the move tool and click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we have a new layer without the background. And as you can see we don't have a background. So that's it guys, I hope you like it and thank you so much. Bye.